10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, that is so sweet. No severe thunderstorm warnings right this minute, but we do have some heavy rainfall making its way through Franklin County, a little bit of that in Floyd as well, and down towards Carroll and Patrick. There's another small cell. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the detector for any rotation, just to go to show that these aren't really developing into severe systems. We just don't have a lot of energy left over. At this point, the sun's gone down, so it's not like we're adding new heat. There are some patches of green showing up, but a lot of that is just staying pretty calm for right now. Zooming in on Floyd and Franklin counties, those have little splotches here and there, but as the Weather Service has been tracking this, there have been special weather statements, which is kind of the step below a severe thunderstorm warning. Not really looking at a warning coming out anytime soon for this because it is staying so separate from each other. Now, tomorrow I would expect there to be more warnings, probably even more than what we had this afternoon as our next system comes through. It's got a little bit more strength to it, but we're still in a level 1 risk, so that's some good news. As we get towards midnight, just little pieces of showers left over. A lot of us are dry after that point. And then going into tomorrow morning, it takes a while for any showers to develop. By 1 p.m., we've got some starting along 81, moving further towards the north, but I think it takes until 5 p.m. for storms to really make it in. Now, once they do, I think we've got some rumbles of thunder making their way through the NRV and Highlands, moving generally towards the east, but with a little bit of a northward component, as opposed to a lot of what we've seen recently has been moving east and a little bit down towards the south. Through 10 p.m., we've still got some storms up towards Lexington. That moves up towards the northeast. Some extra development could happen after midnight going into the Lynchburg zone. And then some showers are left over into Sunday morning. With the data that we have right now, Sunday isn't looking particularly rainy, but keeping an eye on it. I still think we could get some energy coming through. We could get up towards 1 to 2 inches of rain in Wytheville, Hillsville, and Lewisburg, and then also off towards Smith Mountain Lake and Lexington and Lynchburg into Nelson and Amherst County. So a lot of those same spots that saw the heaviest rainfall from last night and even into this morning, going to get an extra inch or two of rain over the weekend, which isn't exactly helpful for any flood risk. So make sure you're being careful if you're doing any driving over the next few days. A lot of us outside of that aren't going to see the showers disappear for a while. Now, we still have a good amount of wind threat for tomorrow, but that mostly stays off towards the west, and then we've got some hail as well. And then tornado activity is going to be pretty low. Our rain chances still exist on Saturday going into Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday it's a little bit lighter. Wednesday we start to see some showers and even storminess come back. I do think tomorrow is going to be the stormiest day that we've got for a while since we're past Thursday. Blacksburg is at 65 for our low, Alta Vista at 68, holding on to plenty of moisture even though the showers are dissipating. Getting up towards 90 again in a lot of spots, Roanoke and Bedford both there, Lynchburg up towards 91, and we hold on to a lot of high temperatures in the low 90s through the end of this week and the start of the next. Sunday has a few showers and storms left over, and then Monday and Tuesday, there's a lot of dry time outside with just pop-up showers here and there. Wednesday, I think, is our next chance of isolated storms, mostly cloudy with some showers and little pieces here and there, and then at least somewhat calmer Thursday and Friday. Added on $10 for today with a high of 87, putting us at 210. Looks like we're going to have a lot of temperatures within about 3 degrees of 90 through the end of this week and the start of the next.